Hi everyone! Today we're going to attempt growing our very own lion's mane. I'm a complete beginner at this. I have a starter kit here with detailed instructions, so let's see how easy or hard it is. So I was gonna start my mushroom kit today, and then I look at the back and it's like, what is that? You ready to see what it is?
It's growing in there. What?
I was quite shocked to see so much growth since the box was packed away in a dark, dry place, as instructed. I wasn't sure how long the fruiting body was growing for. As you can see here, it grew into its packaging.
Is that lion's mane?
I see that the mushroom sprouted from the filter and not from the sawdust brick. Upon further inspection, I noticed the mycelium. This white rooting system was everywhere. I was confused, to say the least.
Do they want me to open it or not? This is confusing instructions, bro.
So I decided to start fresh and remove the growth.
How does one harvest?
The instructions said to cut out X's for the mushrooms to grow out of. Here I'm cutting X's into the sawdust brick, which I later learned was incorrect. So now I'm cutting X's in the plastic and leaving the brick intact.
That's okay, right? I don't know. An ideal spot would be a countertop or a shelf, most humid part of your house.
Mushrooms like humidity. A lot. At my house, the humidity levels get up to 37%, which isn't ideal. So we will adjust by misting the block and the tent every day. Let's get back to that mysterious growth. I thought it looked a lot like a cauliflower. I concluded that it had to be lion's mane. As it kept growing, the smooth surface would grow tiny hair-like structures and soft, thin fibers on the stem. Much more delicate than a robust cauliflower. So let's see what this tastes like. To me, it tasted chewy and bouncy with a little bit of tang. Let's see what Jimmy has to say.
Just rubbery. Doesn't really taste like too much.
You don't like it?
It's not bad, but it's not good.
Okay, we've been growing lion's mane for a few days now, and oh, why do it look like that?
Despite the thriving amount of mycelium, the newly sprouted fruiting body looks super dry. They're surprisingly soft to the touch, but overall, they look questionable.
Sad news on this day. We found mold in here. I'm gonna get rid of it. Apparently that is the procedure because mold is super hard to clean and clear.
So that was a sad end to our first mushroom growing attempt. Let us know if you've had success with these starter grow kits. Thanks for watching, and happy harvesting!